Ever opened a website and felt completely lost instantly? Like nothing makes sense, buttons everywhere, no direction, just confusion all around? In this video, you'll learn complete website structure, main parts of a website, and how homepage components work together to guide users clearly. Think of a website like a city, where pages are roads, content is buildings, and everything connects together to help visitors move easily. Website structure simply means how all pages and content are organized and connected, so users can move smoothly without getting confused or lost. Website structure works in three levels: overall website structure, individual page structure, and smaller section components that organize content clearly and effectively for users. The home page is the first page visitors see. It creates the first impression and quickly tells users what your website is about. About page explains who you are, what you do, and helps visitors understand your story, building trust and connection with your audience. Services or products page shows what you offer, helping users understand your skills, solutions, and what value your website provides to them. Contact page allows visitors to easily reach you through forms, email, or phone, making communication simple, direct, and accessible for everyone. Blog page helps you publish articles, improve SEO, attract visitors from search engines, and grow your website traffic with useful and consistent content. All pages in a website are connected through navigation, allowing users to move smoothly between homepage, services, blog, contact, and other sections easily. Every web page follows a simple layout structure with header, main content area, and footer, helping users easily understand and navigate information clearly. Header is the top part of a web page containing logo, navigation menu, and buttons, helping users quickly explore different sections of the website. Main content area is where all important information appears, including text, images, and sections that deliver value and explain the website purpose clearly. Footer is the bottom section containing contact details, links, and social icons, helping users find important information and complete their website experience. Hero section is the first part of a homepage, showing headline, subheadline, and button that instantly grabs attention and explains purpose clearly. Value proposition section explains why users should choose you, showing benefits, solving problems, and making your website more trustworthy and meaningful instantly. Features section displays your services or offerings in organized cards, helping users quickly understand what you provide and how it benefits them clearly. About preview section gives a short introduction about who you are, helping users connect with your story and build trust quickly and easily. Testimonials section shows real user reviews with ratings and feedback, building trust, credibility, and confidence for new visitors exploring your website content. Call to action section encourages users to take the next step, like signing up, contacting you, or starting their journey immediately now. Blog preview section highlights latest articles, helping improve SEO, attract search traffic, and keep users engaged with fresh, useful website content regularly.
Contact section allows users to send messages directly through a simple form, making communication easy, fast, and accessible from anywhere instantly.
All homepage sections work together in a proper order, creating a smooth structure that guides users naturally from introduction to final action. Websites are built using components like buttons, forms, images, and menus, which work together to create interactive and user-friendly experiences. Navigation menu helps users move between pages smoothly, guiding them through the website step by step without confusion or getting lost anywhere. A good website guides users from landing on homepage, building trust, understanding value, and finally taking action without any confusion or distraction. Without proper structure, websites become confusing, messy, and hard to navigate, causing users to leave quickly without finding what they need. Good website structure creates better user experience, making navigation easy, content clear, and guiding visitors smoothly from start to finish every time.